So I found out the new way on how you can get watch hours so fast on Restream, and I'm here to share that with you. I made a video last month or thereabout about how you can get watch hours so fast on Restream, and a lot of people jumped on it. For this time, it is a different thing. Trust me, it's another different thing altogether. With this particular one, you're going to get your watch hours so fast, even without even before you can close your eyes and open it. If you're very consistent with it, just trust me, 1 week is what I give you. You're going to get your account monetized. Okay? Make sure you're going to be consistent with this particular one so that you can get your watch hours so fast. It is very easy, okay? It's just for you to be consistent. You have to do it constantly for like 1 week so you can get your full 4,000 watch hours. So the website that we're going to use for this particular tutorial is restream.io. I'm going to leave the name on the screen here so you can be able to see it. Okay, if you've already registered with them before, if you've already signed in with them before, then you can just log in and start up everything. But if you've not, you can check out the old video that I did about Restream app and see how you can be able to link your YouTube channel and to register with them. So it's pretty easy on how you can sign in. So even if you don't watch that video, I'm still going to leave it here for you to see. Even if you don't watch it, you can still do it by yourself. It is pretty easy. I'm going to use my second phone to show you how to do this tutorial and to do this tutorial with you. So in case you see me looking here, I'm just going to follow up everything as I'm showing you on the screen. Also, don't get distracted with this particular phone I'm using. Next thing you do is that you should first of all go to pixel.com. Okay, you know pixel.com. I already shared what you can do on Pixel. You can get your free videos, your free images for your YouTube videos, for your b-rolls, for your everything on there, okay, without getting any copyright claim. So first thing that we're going to do is that we'll go to pixel.com. Okay, so the reason why you're doing this is to get free clips. So you can get free clips for you to avoid copyright when you're about to monetize your YouTube channel. So in case if you don't want to use pixel.com and you have another free video that you can use, you can go ahead to use it, but just make sure it is copyright free. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this particular tutorial and how you can get the watch hours with this thing we are going to do. Make sure you watch from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any. If you have another video you want to use, you don't want to use the one from Pixel, make sure you react on that video so YouTube will not give you this copyright strike. Okay, so if you have another video you want to use, please make sure you react on it, but I prefer you to download it from pixel.com. okay, so you can just be free from any copyright claim. Once you get to pixel.com, what you do is that you type ASMR videos. Okay, you go to the video section and type ASMR. Okay, so once you type this, you're going to see a list of short clips that are ASMR compatible. Okay, once you see these clips, these short clips, all you have to do is just to click on download and download it to your gallery, to your video, to your phone gallery. Okay, so after downloading it, we'll head over to Restream. Now I'm going to head over to my Restream app. So you're going to head over to Restream. Then once it pops open, click on create new. Then make sure you have linked your YouTube account to this particular website. Okay, don't worry, you don't have to worry about them invading in your privacy. It is totally safe. You can link your YouTube channel with them. They will not steal your data. They won't do anything with your YouTube channel. Okay, so it's free and safe. Okay, so if you linked your YouTube channel to this particular website and you don't know how to do that, you can also watch that particular video I talked about Restream 1 month ago. Okay, so you can get how to link your YouTube channel. I don't want to start explaining that all over again so that this video will not be too long. So if I start explaining how you can link your YouTube channel to this particular website, this video will be very long, and I don't want it. So once you get to Restream, you click on create new. So it will ask you what you want to do. So click on stream directly from your browser. Okay, once you click on that, then you click on enter studio. Okay, it will ask you if you want to allow access to your camera. Just click yes, allow access to your camera, but don't worry, you're not going to show your face. You're not going to show your face at all. But the reason why you're allowing access to the camera is for you to allow you to enter studio first. Okay, after you've entered studio, you can now close your camera to avoid your face showing. Okay, so when you finally enter the studio, close the camera and also mute your mic. Okay, you're going to mute your mic. After that, you have to add the scene that you want to use. Then click on add scene. Once you click on add scene, then choose media. Okay, after that, this particular thing will come up and then you can select video. So this thing will now take you to your phone gallery where you can select that particular video you downloaded from pixel.com. Then tap here so you can loop the video. Looping the video means that you're going to allow that particular short clip to keep on playing as long as you have that live stream on, okay? Because you don't want to put a long clip on this particular website. You have to loop it so it keep on repeating as long as you are on that live session. Okay, that is the reason why you're going to loop it. Make sure you loop it, is very important so that the video will not stop playing. Make sure it's a short clip, a short video, so it can be accepted. Okay, after that, then click on go live. Then click on go live and make sure that your mic is muted so that you won't be saying something at the background and your voice will be heard on the screen. So make sure you mute your mic because this is silent live. You're going silent live. You're not going to show your face. You're not going to show your anything. You're not going to talk. It is that video playing on the background. So now, after you have gone live, so the next question is, how can you get watch hour from this particular thing? And I'm going to explain it for you now. Recently, a lot of people started coming to YouTube to watch ASMR type of content because ASMR type of content is reported to make people sleep. Okay, a lot of people like to watch this particular type of video because it helps them to relax, it helps them to sleep, and a lot of people are battling from a lot. Some are depressed, some are just going through a lot, and some usually use this particular type of video to relax their nerves, and sometimes it makes them to sleep. Okay, and sometimes it relieves stress from people. Okay, so they prefer to watch this particular type of content, which is ASMR videos. So anybody that goes live with this particular type of content will always attract this particular type of people, and they will always watch your live stream to the end. Even me, like, I love watching ASMR type of videos. So imagine some other people that prefers this type of content because it makes them to relax, it makes them to sleep, and it relaxes their nerves. Okay, so you might want to ask me again, how do you get these people to watch this live stream? Yes, I'm going to explain this now. So as far as you are streaming this particular live stream in a vertical format and not horizontal, YouTube is going to recommend this particular live stream because these people that are watching ASMR video, they discover that a lot of people are streaming this on their live stream. So they are always on their shorts feed and this live feed to look out for people who are streaming this particular type of content. So once you stream vertically, which is going to show on the short feed and the live feed, automatically YouTube is going to recommend your live stream to them. It doesn't matter how you do it. You don't even need to optimize anything. As far as you're streaming vertically, it's going to show. Okay, so you don't even have to do too much. As far as you're streaming vertically, don't stream horizontally, stream in a vertical format so YouTube can push it to those people that are watching it, and anybody can actually see your live stream without getting an invite link from you. But this is how you can get that particular watch hour. You have to stream for a very long time, like let's say for instance 6 hours minimum or 12 hours max. You can stream up to 12 hours on YouTube. Okay, but if you don't want to stream up to 12 hours, you can stream, let me say, 6 hours. And you can always do it like this: you stream 6 hours in a day and then stream 12 hours in the night. You can put up your live stream and go to bed in the night. As far as you have your mic muted, you can stream from the moment you're about to sleep to the next morning and nothing will happen. As far as you have steady internet connection and your battery is fully charged, then you can leave it in the night and sleep off. Okay, but in the daytime, you just make sure you leave it to 6 hours. So, and the good thing about streaming with Restream app is that it allows you to use your phone to still do other things. So you can actually be doing something in your office, in your house, and be streaming this live stream. And you can actually be going to your Facebook. You can be doing any other thing on your Facebook, on your Instagram, be using your phone for any other thing while you are streaming live with Restream, because you are streaming from their website. It is not an app. So even if you come out from that particular website, even if you come out from your browser and go over to another place on your phone, you can still have that live stream running. Except you go back to your browser to end that live stream, you can still be streaming from there. Okay, so it's just similar to multitasking. You can still do anything you want to do with your phone, provided you have internet connection, you have your battery fully charged. But if you don't want to stream during the daytime, you can stream at night. So it is just simple. You can still be streaming and be doing any other thing with your phone, just in case if you don't have a separate phone. But if you have a two phone, then that's fine. You can be streaming from your phone, from your first phone, then be using the other phone to do anything you want, or you can actually stream from your laptop if you have a laptop. And let me shock you now. If you stream for 6 hours, it can give you 240 watch hours at a go. Have you seen how easy it is? Yes, 240 watch hours. You can get that from a 6 hours long live streaming. Okay, so it is very easy. So imagine if you do 6 hours in the morning, then 12 hours at night, or 6 hours at night. Then imagine how many watch hours you'll be getting in a day. And if you do that for, let me say, 1 week, even before 1 week, you'll be already monetized. So within 1 week, you are already monetized on YouTube. So it is very easy, and make sure you jump on this thing. Very easy. You don't even have to stress yourself. You don't even need to show your face in case you are camera shy. You don't even need to stress. You don't even need to put in so much work. All you have to do is just to download a video that you will use, video that is copyright free, and head over to Restream and start streaming live. Okay, so it is very easy. Just make sure that you have to stream for a very long time. Okay, 6 hours, or okay, you can actually stream 4 hours if you want, but don't stream for 30 minutes and be asking people to stay. Okay, they're not going to stay. Okay, make sure you just keep your phone and you see them come to watch even without doing anything. You don't even need to stay there and be watching them. You just have to stream. Make sure you jump on it now. That is still very accessible and free for everybody. Make sure you hop on it now. I'm begging you to hop on it so you can get monetized so quick. And again, another important thing that you need to know is that you should make sure you don't repeat videos, okay? Those videos that you'll be using to stream those live stream, don't repeat it. So you can avoid getting reused content message from YouTube when you're about to monetize. Once you want to do another live stream, go back to pixel.com and download another video. You can add up to 3 videos on Restream, okay? Once you've exceeded that 3 videos max, you can go back to Restream and delete all those videos that you've imported and add another one, okay? But make sure you don't delete your live stream from YouTube, because if you delete them, you're going to lose the watch hours you've accumulated. So, and this is it for this particular tutorial, and I just hope you're going to hop on this and get monetized so quick and get your watch hours so fast. So see you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Okay, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, this is an opportunity for you to subscribe. Please subscribe and also turn on the bell notification. And I would like to see your comments in the comment section. If you have any question to ask me, please go on to ask me and I'll be there to answer you. So good luck on your YouTube journey. Bye.